Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today we want to make curry powder right in our own kitchen. Curry powder. If you love to make it, if you are curious of how am I going to make it, just come along with me. Let's do this together. We are making curry powder right in our own kitchen, and we'll be needing whole peppercorns, black peppercorns. I have star anise, I have some whole chili pepper, I have cinnamon stick, some bay leaves, rosemary, thyme, ginger powder, garlic powder, fennel seed, this is cumin seed, and this is coriander seed. And for the color we will have this turmeric powder. And what I'll be doing next is that I'll be roasting all this minus the powder. I'll roast this, all of them minus the ginger powder, garlic powder, and turmeric powder. I'll put this on the stove. Now I'll be adding my coriander seeds, black peppercorns with this star anise, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, the chili pepper, bay leaves, and the cinnamon stick, thyme, and rosemary. Then what I will do is just keep on stirring. Make sure it's on a low medium heat, because we don't want it to get burnt. If it is burnt, your curry will be bitter. If it is burnt, your curry will be bitter. Look at that beauty. You can also add curry leaves if you have it, dry curry leaves. I'm going to check now, and very soon the aroma is going to fill your house. I'm going to give this one, I'm going to break it into pieces. Look at the color. So as you can see, that curry is very simple to make. It's just a blend of different aromatic herbs, and I'm using chili here, especially this extra hot chili, because I love my curry powder to be very hot. So a little will go a long way for me. But if you don't want it so spicy, you can actually take out some of the chili, reduce it to your own desire. The measurement of everything I'm using is in the description box below, so you have to check it out. Or you can actually omit the chili, and when you want to use your curry in every curry dish or any recipe you want to use your curry for, you can decide to add the chili along with it. So I will allow this to cool and pour it in the blender or my grinder to grind or to blend. Then what I'll be doing is I'll be putting the ginger powder and the garlic powder. Now I want to pour in my ginger powder and garlic powder. This is optional, but you have to be very fast about it and very careful. We don't want it to get burnt. We just want to give it a quick toast that it gives us that nutty flavor. So it's actually the turmeric that gives the curry its color. My house is filled with the aroma. Oh no. Even when you make your own curry or anything you make at home, any homemade, yeah, you actually know what you put in. No preservatives, no coloring, nothing. It's just fresh. You can add or you can subtract from the ingredients just to suit your own taste, and you have good quality for less price. I think it's okay now. That's my grinder, and that is everything in there. I'll be blending. Notice that I've not added the turmeric. I want to blend now. Now let's check. There is it, and that is it without the turmeric. Now I'm going to add the turmeric to it for the color. Give it a quick mix. You can use your blender if you don't have grinder, just anything you are comfortable with to get it blended. Now let's check out the final result. Wow, you see, you agree with me that is the turmeric that gives our curry powder the color. It just went into my mouth. Oh, this is beautiful. Curry powder right in our own kitchen, and this one is extra hot. Oh wow. All you need to do now is just get your container and put in the powder. You can get bigger container, because I cook a lot, that's why I've made large portion. Before you know it, it will be finished and I have to do another batch. Make curry, and you just keep it airtight, and it can last for as long as 6 months. You know, there is no preservatives, and if you are the type that don't cook all the time, you can just make small quantity, and when next you need, you will make more, because with time it loses its aroma and its taste. That's it. When it comes to cooking, you just keep on exploring, and as you explore, you will discover a lot, and as you discover, you will enjoy, and you will enjoy to the fullest. Like today, we have made curry powder right in our own kitchen, adding everything we want to add to it, and this is it. Very, very nice. The aroma in my house is second to none, and a little of this will go a long way. Better quality, cheaper in price, and you will love your cooking the more. If you have enjoyed what you've seen so far, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do by clicking on the red button and join this wonderful family. Till next time, bye.